The LIVALL PikaBoost 2 is more than just an e-bike accessory. It's a game changer. Engineered to enhance your cycling experience, this innovative device brings a suite of upgrades that cater to both casual riders and cycling enthusiasts. Whether you're looking to conquer hills, extend your ride, or reduce your carbon footprint, PikaBoost 2 has got you covered. One of the standout features of the PikaBoost 2 is its ease of use. Designed with the rider in mind, it can be installed or removed in under a minute, making it one of the most user-friendly e-bike kits on the market. It's compatible with most bike models and tire sizes, ensuring that nearly any cyclist can benefit from its advanced capabilities. At the heart of the PikaBoost 2 is a robust 500-watt motor that makes even the steepest hills a breeze. This powerful motor is paired with LIVALL's patented AAR 2.0 technology, which provides precise power assistance based on your riding conditions. Whether you're cruising through city streets or tackling rugged trails, PikaBoost 2 delivers just the right amount of power to enhance your ride. PikaBoost 2 doesn't just make your ride easier, it also makes it greener. The device can generate approximately 100 watts of power at around 15 miles per hour, significantly reducing your carbon footprint. With its regenerative braking system, kinetic energy is captured and converted into electricity as you coast downhill or engage in workout mode, extending your battery's range and making your rides more sustainable. Equipped with a high-capacity 158 watt-hour lithium-ion battery, the PikaBoost 2 offers a range of up to 43 miles on a single charge under assistance. For those who need even more range, an optional 220 watt-hour battery upgrade is available, extending the range up to an impressive 59 miles. Charging is quick and convenient, thanks to PD 3.1 and QC 3.0 fast charging technology, which delivers a full charge in just 3 hours. The battery also doubles as a portable power station, providing up to 65 watts of input and 100 watts of output power. Perfect for charging your smartphone, laptop, or other devices on the go. Safety is paramount with the PikaBoost 2, and its V-shaped tire design is a testament to that. This design ensures outstanding road traction and efficient power transfer, while the specialized tread pattern, complete with drainage grooves, reduces the risk of slipping in wet conditions. Whether you're riding in the rain or on dry pavement, PikaBoost 2 helps you maintain control and stability. PikaBoost 2 offers 4 versatile riding modes to suit your every need: workout mode, eco mode, power assist mode, and cruise mode. These modes can be easily managed through the accompanying mobile app, allowing you to tailor your ride to your preferences. Additionally, an integrated LED rear light enhances your visibility on the road, adding an extra layer of safety to your rides. For a limited time, the LIVALL PikaBoost 2 is available on Indiegogo at a super early bird price of just $279. With its cutting-edge technology, eco-friendly features, and ease of use, PikaBoost 2 is poised to redefine the e-bike experience. Whether you're a seasoned cyclist or a casual rider, this innovative device will elevate your rides to new heights. Don't miss out on the opportunity to electrify your cycling adventures with the LIVALL PikaBoost 2.